Let's compare my Coway air purifier against my Medify Air MA-112 air purifier. So the Coway here is a really nice, smaller air purifier. I'd say it's medium size, really. It works great for a room, in my experience, up to about maybe 500 square feet. So pretty powerful. It's got simple controls. It is a HEPA filter, which is great. And it does have an air quality meter, so it can automatically switch on or ramp up the fan speed as the air quality in your house changes. Now, the Medify Air MA-112, much bigger. It can actually handle up to 2,000 square feet, so it's great for an open concept house or a much, much bigger room. Very, very big purifier. Medify sent this to me, so thank you for that. And I find this is just an incredibly powerful purifier. That said, it does not have the smart features with the air quality monitor. It's totally manual. You have to use the controls to switch it on and adjust the fan speed. So I find the Coway purifier is great for those medium-sized rooms or where you want to have the automatic control. But if you want to purify the air in a really big space or an open concept house and you don't mind using the manual controls, the MA-112 is a fantastic choice.